I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your screen can show a larger image. Check the TV or monitor model and native resolution. Once done, plug a high-quality HDMI 2.0+ cable into the Xbox and the display. Make sure the TV input matches. You should power on the console and controller, then disable extra display adapters or splitters that shrink the signal. This reduces scaling issues and gives you the cleanest path for adjusting size. Now move to the Xbox settings to change display parameters. You go to Settings, General, TV and Display options, and choose the highest native resolution that the display supports. This maximizes usable screen area. Then select the scale and refresh rate. If your TV supports 4K and 60 or 120 Hz, enable it. Otherwise, pick 1080p to make UI elements larger. Next, use Calibrate TV for video overscan and move the image until edges align. This corrects cropping and makes everything appear larger and centered. Make sure to confirm changes so they persist. You finish by fine-tuning on the TV. Pick picture size like full, just scan, or 1 to eliminate overscan and expand the visible area. If edges are still cut off, lower the Xbox to 1080p and check HDMI scaling options on the TV. Also update firmware on both the console and the display so they negotiate correctly. If things go wrong, swap cables or inputs, reboot the Xbox, or reset display settings to default. This usually resolves mismatches and restores a properly sized screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.